Hello, good evening, students. Today is transcription number back of 103 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. This adverse balance of trade will, to a certain extent, act as a check against any inflationary pressures. Then again, there is the question of production of food grains and other materials within the country. Our economy is an expanding economy at the moment, and I think that by the end of the first year of the second plan or sometime during the second year of the second plan, many of the measures which were undertaken during the first plan will start yielding results. Many of the major irrigation projects will give full dividends, and the production of food grains in the country is bound to go up. As the production of food grains goes up within the country, it will again be a check on inflationary pressures. Also, some of the industries which were established during the first plan will start yielding results. From this point of view, I would also like the Honorable Finance Minister to consider whether the pattern of deficit financing which has been adopted in the second 5-year plan is sound or may require some modification. To my mind, it appears that the decision to put the maximum amount of deficit financing in the first year of the second 5-year plan is not appropriate. Perhaps it would be a wiser thing to put the maximum amount in the second year of the second 5-year plan, because by that time the factors which I have mentioned just now will have come into operation. There will be more production of food grains within the country. Some of the results of industrialization during the first 5-year plan will begin to be felt, and as there will be a larger volume of commodities of every type in the country, a larger dose of deficit financing in the second year of the second 5-year plan may prove a more salutary measure than the decision to have the largest dose in the first year. There is another reason why I am a little apprehensive of having the biggest dose of deficit financing in the first year of the second 5-year plan. If once the inflationary process starts, if once there is any disturbance in the psychology of the market, the results are difficult to foresee. If therefore in the first year of the second plan we proceed a little more cautiously and have the biggest dose in the second year and perhaps a little less in the third, and then start tightening up and reduce the deficit financing, you will have 3 years, the third, fourth and the fifth of the second plan, both to watch and to take such remedial measures as may be necessary. This is a suggestion which I would like the Honorable Finance Minister to consider. I am mentioning it here because I think it has a deficit relevance to the proposal he has made for currency expansion by doing away with the ratio between the gold bullion and the securities.